morning, my name is Warren and I am from PropWiz. Today we'll be sharing why the Protection of Personal Information Act, known as the POPIA Act, matters for home buyers in South Africa. In South Africa's real estate industry, personal information is everywhere, from initial property inquiries to finalizing a purchase. The Protection of Personal Information Act requires real estate agencies to protect this data, ensuring it's collected, stored, and used responsibly. But what does this mean for you as a home buyer? Let's dive into how POPIA Act protects you and what PropWiz is doing to prioritize your privacy. So first of all, understanding POPIA Act for home buyers. What is the POPIA Act? POPIA Act is South Africa's comprehensive data privacy law that ensures companies collect, store, and manage personal information with care. It aims to protect your rights to privacy while keeping your information safe and secure. How POPIA Act impacts your home buying experience. When buying a home, personal data like your ID, address, financial details, and contact information often get shared. POPIA Act means this data is only used for necessary purposes, like marketing of property, processing loan applications, or preparing property agreements, and not shared without your consent. So your rights under the POPIA Act: rights to access. You can request details about the data PropWiz holds on you. The right to correction of that data. If your data is incorrect, you have the right to ask for corrections, and the right to delete data. You can request that personal data be deleted once it's no longer needed. So did you know that under the POPIA Act, if an organization mishandles your personal information, they could face fines of up to 10 million rand or even jail time for directors. This law enforces strict rules on how companies like real estate agencies handle sensitive information. For home buyers, this means better protection for their personal details, from ID numbers to financial records, helping prevent identity theft and ensuring privacy through every step of the purchase process. So how this works in practice. Initial reach out calls. When we reach out to you, we're not just cold calling without consideration. South Africa's Consumer Protection Act allows us to make a single introductory call. In that call, you have the choice to opt in for further communication or opt out if you're not interested. If you choose to opt out, we'll respect that decision and not contact you again. Why POPIA Act isn't violated by a phone call? The POPIA Act's purpose is to protect personal information, and we're fully committed to doing that. However, POPIA Act does not directly govern initial contact calls like these. The Consumer Protection Act governs this area, allowing us to make one introductory call. This call respects your rights, and further communication requires your consent. Handling opt-outs carefully. If you do not choose to be contacted, we place your number in a do not contact list, ensuring your preferences are recorded. This list prevents accidental follow-ups by other agents or through future updates of our contact database. Moving forward confidentially, reaching out to clients is part of our service. You know that some might not be interested, and that's okay. We respect each client's wishes and hope to connect with those looking for the support and services that we offer. Why data privacy is essential in South Africa's real estate market. Data breaches in real estate could lead to identity theft, financial fraud, or unauthorized access to property details. With home buyers sharing sensitive information throughout the buying process, following POPIA Act isn't just a legal requirement, it's a commitment to trust and transparency. PropWiz's commitment to data privacy. At PropWiz, we prioritize your privacy. The POPIA Act compliance is central to our operation, ensuring your information is always handled responsibly. From encrypted data storage to secure communication channels, your information is safe with us. So are you ready to find your dream home with a trusted, privacy-conscious agency? Contact PropWiz today and let's make your home buying experience both safe and satisfying.